Hello friends, welcome back to Kids for Life. My name is Akhil Atyam. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about costumes. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to add sound to our games. Sounds can be from anime to sound effects, all the way to music. Let's get started. Let's get back into Scratch. Oops. There we are. Now let's create a new project. Name it tutorial 4. There we go. Let's go to the sounds tab. Costume tab we explored yesterday. Now the sounds tab. If you're clicking on the default cat sprite, you'll see there's a meow. Click this play button to play it. As you can see, you just heard a meow. We have many options. We can rename it. I'm just going to name it cat. And we can make it, as you can see, it's the same. We can make it faster or we can make it slower. Just like the costumes, you can do undo and redo. We can make it louder. We can make it softer. We can mute it, which I do not recommend you doing it. Undo it. You can fade it in. You can fade it out. You can reverse it. And you can make it sound like a robot. There we go. You can copy it and paste it. You can copy it to new one. See, you got another cat one. Sounds the exact same. If you drag your mouse alongside the soundtrack, this is called a soundtrack, and you can see there's a little blue box that comes whenever you drag your mouse. Like this. Press delete, it deletes the clip. As you can see, that just happened. Let's delete the second clip and play it. Just like that, we can do the same blue box, copy it and then paste it. Copy it, paste it. You probably couldn't hear that because it was a little faint. Then we have choose a sound. With choose a sound, you can either choose a sound, record a sound, get a random sound, or upload a sound. Let's see all the options we have. We have animals, effects, loops, notes, percussion, and many more. Let's take a loop sound. How do we add that? You can just hover your mouse over the purple plate to hear it. Let's say we like this cave sound. Below the name of it, you can see how long it is. This is 7 seconds and 42 milliseconds. Another way to delete without pressing the delete and backspace is just pressing delete. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you then. Goodbye.